So we're going to show you how to adjust the temperature, but this thing just starts out. But we have to get the shower head in first so we can test the water. Because right now it's basically set right in the middle, so it's pressure balanced. And if you want to get it a little bit hotter, which I think most of you probably are going to want to do, we'll adjust to make it get hotter. So before we put this on, you want to make sure you flush out the system. We're also going to test the water temperature so we can adjust the temperature. But you don't want to just add this right on, because if there's anything in the lines, because we did all that construction work, you'll just clog up the shower head. So make sure you flush it out first. This is going to get us to the stop. So when you turn this, so you can see how when I turn this to the clockwise, you have a little stop. This is stopping that from getting any hotter. So this is where you want to test it right off the bat, see what kind of temperature you're getting. So that's like 108. So that's not very warm. I mean, it's warm, but it's not what you want your shower to be. The sleeve comes out. So this is your stopper. So this is what's holding that pivot arm from moving any further. So if you turn it further clockwise, then you'll get hotter water. So if we move this clockwise, so if we move this, moving this way, we're going to get it hotter. And this allows me to turn this just a little bit more. All right, there you go. So you're getting about 120, 122. So really you want it, be under 100, around 120. And so that makes a really nice hot shower now. So now that we got that adjusted, that's pretty easy to adjust. I usually like to have it all the way up. I personally like to have the hot showers. But yeah, obviously you don't want to scald anybody. So if you have your hot water tank up to like 133 degrees, you're definitely going to want to adjust this to make sure it doesn't get too hot.